The Oklahoma Supreme Court hearing oral arguments today in a case that could reshape how insurance companies handle claims across the state.
The case will decide if the state attorney general can be involved. Fox 25's Rob Hagan at the Capitol with more. Rob, what can you tell us?
Adam, Wendy, State Farm says this case is unconstitutional, and the state attorney general says, simply put, it sure ain't. And the Tulsa police officer who sued State Farm after his roof claim was denied says he's sick of the scheme. What started as a Tulsa family's dispute over a denied roof claim is now before the Oklahoma Supreme Court with the state's attorney general in their corner.
If the insurance commissioner cannot enforce these laws and the attorney general cannot enforce these laws, then we have created a chasm in the state of Oklahoma through which foreign corporations can come in and injure Oklahomans with reckless disregard.
State Farm is accused of ripping off thousands of Oklahomans for improperly denying hail and wind damage claims, and this Tulsa cop says he's fed up.
They've used the branding like a good neighbor. State Farm is there. What do you say to that?
Show me. Prove it.
An attorney representing Attorney General Gentner Drummond is using RICO, a law often used in organized crime cases, to argue the company carried out a coordinated pattern of wrongdoing. State Farm calls the claims unconstitutional and says it pays what's owed under each policy.
And this is the attorney general representing all of the State Farm policyholders who cannot afford or don't have access to an attorney. That's why I'm in.
Justices weighed whether this is a consumer protection issue or simply a contract dispute that belongs in district court.
This was a pervasive scheme that wasn't just done to us, it was done to thousands of people across Oklahoma and to the tune of who knows how many millions or maybe even billions of dollars.
State Farm tells Fox 25 it has paid more than $1 billion in Oklahoma wind and hail claims over the past 2 years and strongly denies any wrongdoing. Meanwhile, Drummond says his investigation could expand beyond State Farm.
And there is smoke, and I'm following the smoke till I find the fire.
Now, this decision could expand or limit the state attorney general's power to intervene in private lawsuits. And he says that if you can't afford an attorney or can't find one, and you have a claim against an insurance company that isn't being met, to contact his office. Live at the state capitol, Rob Hagan, Fox 25 News.